Do you own a pressure washer? Well then, you can probably relate to these hose struggles. Don't worry, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing our new improved pressure washers, now featuring an integrated hose reel. Available with our slipStream Pro 20, Pro 20X and our Pro 21 is a robust 15 metre hose reel for convenience and efficiency on the job. With this new feature, you'll turn up on every job looking like the professional you are, as the hose reel keeps you organised and you can transport your kit with ease. This long hose also allows you to cover far more ground without having to readjust your machine and avoid your hose getting kinked. It's an upgrade you don't want to miss out on, so get ready for pressure washing season and check out our upgraded systems on our website skyvac.com.